Hello, I'm the Reverend John St. Germain, coming from my home to yours, to wish you the happiest of holidays and to remind you once again to register for our virtual Hoodoo Heritage Festival, which is going to take place June 10th and 11th of 2023. And once again, you're going to receive our celebrated goodie boxes containing everything you need to follow along with our 10 master presenters. So why don't you register now at www.hoodooheritagefestival.com, and I'll see you there.
And don't forget, while you're waiting for the 2023 Hoodoo Heritage Festival to happen in June, you can go to hoodooworkshops.com, where nearly 30 of the classes and workshops from the past 3 years are online for you to purchase and watch at your leisure. Each one, it's only $25 each. You can pick and choose the ones you want to see when you want to see them at hoodooworkshops.com. We'll see you there.